there, my name's Autumn, and this is Padley from Rocket Dog. This stylish sandal is made with a synthetic upper, and you have 2 adjustable buckles for a great and easy fit. There is an open-toe silhouette with studded detailing along the sides for that added style. And you've got a synthetic lining with a nicely cushioned footbed. There is lots of padding in there. It does have a nice block heel for added boost in height, and it all rests on a synthetic outsole. Always stylish and comfort you can count on. Try Padley from Rocket Dog.